Sure enough, the tire went out. Doesn't look broken, so I'll just turn the power off. And put that back on. That's actually the tire from the bottom. Top one stayed on. So, and just in case, I have an extra one over there. So, it's kind of ripped, and I know this one sits on the middle. So, gonna replace that one. Normally, I do not replace things that easily, so let's see if I can get this on here with one hand. I just put it on the top. I'm gonna ride it down while I spin it. It's gonna get it on, 90% of the way, and then I'm gonna need two hands. So, and I now have some very tired thumbs from stretching that up there. And I'll just work it back to the back as I spin it now. I'm sure there are experts who know how to do it better than that, but that's the only way I know how. Alright, I'll back up a little. I'll take a quick look. Looks a little dusty. Let's put the guard back on and get back to work.